What's the meaning of Alfred Hitchcock? Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock.
Alfred Hitchcock was a British film director and producer, known for his suspenseful thrillers that often featured complex, twisted plots and unexpected twists. He earned the nickname, the Master of Suspense, for his ability to build tension and keep audiences on the edge of their seats. One of his most famous films is Psycho, which continues to be considered a classic in the horror genre. His impact on cinema has been significant, and his influence can still be seen in many contemporary filmmakers today.